I said 240. I said 100 earlier.
209.
Yo, it's
This country's fault.
210.
Zach, I'm opening close.
It's just right in my face.
211.
I was looking at the juice.
212. Oh, it's coming out both sides.
20 more.
213.
Where's the juice? Point to the juice.
She took her.
There.
We're good.
It's coming out on this side.
Hold on, do the camera. Take a picture.
Are we at 1? They're at 23.
213.
213.
Y'all weren't even here for the
It's
whole thing.
sweating.
I don't count.
214. 215.
Just like already.
Bulbous.
216.
Yeah, let's juice it.
217.
Michael Scott? No.
18.
This is the least efficient way to juice a watermelon.
19. 220.
I'm not feeling my guess anymore. Shawn Michael Trevor.
21.
Oh, yeah, it's coming out a lot.
2.
This is your fault, John.
I actually got that on video.
So did I. What was the
Nice.
count?
222.
222.